Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video. If you are someone who trades on the Deriv platform, you already know how exciting it can be, but you also know how exhausting it can get. Spending hours and hours staring at the screen, waiting for the perfect setup, and trying to manage your emotions can be really tough. It is very easy to make mistakes when you are tired or stressed out from watching the charts all day. But what if I told you there was a way to make all of this so much easier? What if you could completely automate your trading without spending any money at all? Well, you definitely need to hear about this amazing platform called Trade Lab. I have been looking into it recently, and it is a total game changer for anyone doing Deriv trading. Usually when people hear about automated trading or trading bots, they immediately think about complicated coding, programming skills, or very expensive monthly subscriptions that drain your wallet. But Trade Lab is completely different. It is built for everyday traders who just want a simple and effective way to automate their trades without the headache. The most mind-blowing thing about Trade Lab is that it gives you access to a massive library of over 1,200